Thank you for using the MID300 keyless electronic RFID door lock. This tutorial will demonstrate on how to use this lock. Please note that the programming can be done before or after installing the locks onto the door. The MID300 lock takes 125 kHz RFID. It can be used with any RFID such as a card, fob, ID wristbands, and many more. If you're unsure if your RFID key is compatible, you can easily check. If you read the RFID key and there is a light but no beep, or there is no light and no beep, then this key is not compatible with this lock. Otherwise, if you read the RFID key and there is a light and a beep, it is possible this key will work. The first method to program the master key will require a magnet. On the indoor mount of the lock, you should see a sticker with a capital M. Place the magnet there. Scan the desired key to set it as the master key.
This is in the program. This is the MasterCard program. Here a lot beep. Take the magic off. So this is become MasterCard.
This is what programming mode looks like. There are 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 orange lights that flash in pairs in time with the short tune. The second method only requires the outdoor mount and a small screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver through the back plate hole of the outdoor mount. You should easily feel a button. Press the button with the screwdriver and read a key to set it as the master key. You should hear sounds that indicate the RFID has been read. All 8 lights will flash with 5 short beeps and 1 long beep. Once all lights turn off, take out the screwdriver. The master key has been programmed. Feel free to test it out simply by scanning the master key. The lock should enter programming mode. Rescan to quit. First, read the master key to put the lock into programming mode. Read all the RFID keys which you want to set as user keys one by one. Once all user keys have been programmed, quit out of programming mode by rereading the master key.
Check it. See, it works here. Also set.
To delete a user key, simply scan the master key to put the lock into programming mode. Read the key 6 times to delete. Each reading should be followed by a short beep.
5 times.
If you have more user keys to delete, go ahead and follow the same steps while you're still in programming mode. Otherwise, quit programming mode by rereading the master key. It is always recommended to check to see if your keys are deleted by testing it on the lock. Notice the blue fob successfully unlocks the door, but the green fob is unsuccessful because we deleted it.